Batu gantung.
Once upon a time, in a remote village on the outskirts of Lake Toba, North Sumatra, there lived a husband and wife with a beautiful daughter named Seruni. Apart from being beautiful, Seruni is also very diligent in helping her parents work in the fields. Every day, the small family works on their farm on the shores of Lake Toba, and the result of use to meet their daily needs. One day, Seruni went to the field alone because her parents had something to do in their neighbor village. Seruni is only accompanied by her beloved dog named Toki. Arriving at the field, the girl did not work, but she just kept complimenting while looking at the natural beauty of Lake Toba. It seems like he was facing a problem that difficult for him to solve. Meanwhile, his dog Toki sat next to him looking at Seruni's face as if he knew what his master was thinking. Occasionally, the dog barked to disturb the master's attention, but the master was still disturbed by his dog. Indeed, in the last few days, Seruni's face always looking gloomy. He was very sad because his parents were going to marry him to a young man who was still discouraged. Even though she was having an affair with a young man of the heritage and had promised to build a happy household. Tori confused, doesn't want to disappoint her parents, and on the other hand, she can't bear to part with the young man she loved. Because he felt noble to carry the heavy burden, he began to despair.
Oh God, I can longer live with this border.
A few moments later, Sonori got up from her seat. With tears in his eyes, he walked slowly toward Lake Toba. Apparently, the girl wanted to end her life by jumping into Lake Toba, which has steep cliffs. Meanwhile, Toki followed his master from being barking. With her tail cracking, Seruni walked toward the cliffs of Lake Toba without paying attention to the path she was taking. Unexpectedly, he suddenly fell into a large stone hole and went deep into the bottom of the hole. The black rock made the atmosphere in the hole even thicker. The beautiful girl was very scared. At the bottom of the dark hole, he felt the rock walls move closer together to crush him. No, help me, Toki! Seruni's voice was heard asking her beloved dog for help. The Toki understood that his master needed his help, but he couldn't do anything except bark at the mouth of the hole. Several times Seruni shouted for help, but Toki was very unable to help her. Finally, the girl became more and more desperate. Meanwhile, Toki, who knew that his master was in danger, continued to bark at the mountain of the hill. Feeling unable to help his employer, he immediately ran home to ask for help. Arriving at his employer's house, Toki immediately approached Seruni's parents, who happened to have just come from a neighbor village and were walking toward their house.
Toki, where is Seruni? What happened to him?
It looks like Seruni is in danger.
You're right. Toki is us to follow him.
It's already dark. How do we get there?
Yeah.
Not after long, all the neighbors had gathered in Seruni's father's yard, crying tourists. After that, they followed Toki to the scene. When they arrived at the field, Toki went straight toward the mountain of the hole. Then he barked while sticking his mouth into the hole to inform the resident that Seruni was at the bottom of the hole. The farmer tried to light the hole with his torch, but the bottom of the hole was so deep that the torch, like could not penetrate.
Babaran!
Residents who were present at the pledge tried to help. One of the residents tied a string to the bottom of the hole, but the slab was not touched at all. Sereni's father became increasingly worried about his son's condition. He decided to follow his doctor and jump into the rock hole. Finally, Sereni's father gave up his faith. A moment later, a row suddenly sounded. The earth shook finally as if it was about to land. The stone hole suddenly closed itself. The cliffs on the edge of Lake Toba also fell. Sereni's father and mother and all the residents ran here and there to save themselves. They left the mountain of the rock hole so that poor Seruni could not be saved from being crushed by the flood. A few moments after earthquake stopped, a black rock suddenly appeared that resembled the body of a girl and seemed to be hanging on the cliff wall on the edge of Lake Toba. Local people believe that the stone is the incarnation of Seruni, which occurs by a rock in their home. They later gave the stone the name Hacking Stone. A few days later, news spread about what happened to the girl. Residents flocked to the scene to see the hacking rock. Residents who witnessed the incident told other residents that before the Holocaust, a voice was heard. Because the word paparat is often said by people and many people tell about it. Pekan, which is on the shores of Lake Toba, was given the name Paparat. Paparat is now a small town, one of the most attractive tourist destination in North Sumatra Province, Indonesia.